First place we're gonna go is to the meat section. For a book. And it's got a little sticker. Get some pork steaks. No. Yeah. Some pork steaks. Now I gotta go back to my app and see what else I want. Oh, pre-pack. Yellow stickers. We don't care what it is. We're taking them. Thin chops. Let's see if we see any more yellow stickers in this section. Nope. Alright, let's see what else we're gonna get. I saw a video where somebody was talking about these ribeye chops. I'm going to try them and see what I think of them. Again, perusing for yellow stickers. And here's some for some sirloin tips. So we'll take that. I don't see any more yellow stickers around. I saw some on some Johnson bratwurst, but definitely not what I wanted. Sirloin right here. Yellow sticker. There's another one with the yellow sticker. Okay, so from here now we're going to get us this big old fat boy. This is 10 pounds and $28. Get one of these. Ran across another yellow sticker. Alright, now I'm done. Gotta take care of the puppy dogs. There we go. And some dog food. Bounce. We need some bounce. I'll need a mega sheet. Oh, hey, what's this? Head hair. Let's try this one. Probably ain't no different from the rest, but we need some bounce. I'm bougie and I need Charmin, but the my plumber said I need to get the red Charmin because it's good for my sewer line. So I get this. It's got 12 rolls. I poop a lot, so I need a lot. I'm in need of some Tylenol, except I'm gonna get the cheapy brand. Here we go. Look what I found. This is the same kind I usually get. It's the instant coffee in a jar. Thank you for telling me that they have it in a jar. I appreciate it, guys. Grabbing a bag of sun-dried tomatoes. I like that whenever I had it in my salsa the other day. Look, they have all the rayos you can imagine. Tomato basil, marinara, sensitive marinara. And look and see if there's any others down here. Oh, tomato basil. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one. This one. I'll grab this one. Put it down in our. I've been enjoying this sleepy time tea, so I'm gonna get me some more of this. I'm gonna get a few of these. These are Air America. Are they clean? Probably not. Let's see. I'm gonna get a pina colada. I'm gonna try a tangerine mango. Strawberry daiquiri. You can't go wrong with that one. And that's all. Like, let's see. I like cherry peach. I like peach. I'll get a peach one. All right. Next. And here is where I get my flavor enhancers. There's so many. Let's see. I like strawberry watermelon. I like a lemonade. I like grape. And again, are these clean? More than likely not, but you know, I like them. Judy. If you're watching, that's the ones I like. So if you're watching this, Mom, that's my favorite. Last thing on my list is this last one, some Too Good Greek yogurt. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, yep, that one. My shopping cart looks like my office in my house. Chaotic. That's everything. So now we're going to check out. Remember when I lied and said that was the last thing? I lied. Pick them up. I'll get 2 of them, but not them big ones. Man, they're hard to peel, so I'll get 2 jickamas. And mine are over like around the cantaloupe and the watermelon. So that's where they're at. They used to be on the other side, but they moved them now. Check out my parking spot, y'all. I'm the first car. I'm so ashamed, but it was so sweet. I had to have it. The best parking spot in the whole place. Now I gotta unload, but I put my purse inside my front seat before I start unloading, because you know there's people out there and don't do not nice things. So I set my purse in here, and then I load up old Bessie. So I don't have a big surface where I can spread it all out, but we got the pork butt, we saved money. We got the ribeye chops, we got the drinks, I got some Rayos, pork steaks, some thin chops we saved a little bit of money on. These big old fat boys, it's 10 pounds of 73% ground beef. This, and it bought this. I'm like, you know, I might put that on some ground beef. Could use it like a taco type thing, use that instead of sour cream. In the end, my total was $288. So then I got these top sirloin, save that. Top sirloin, save that. And sirloin tip thin, save that. So if you can get to Walmart before the crowd gets there and get the yellow tags. So all this, and then a couple little non-food items. And that was my shopping trip to Walmart.